Hi, I'm Susan Langenhennick. I'm the Home and Garden Editor for the Times-Picayune, and I'm here at Global Grain with Monica Rowand, who is going to show us a neat trick today, how to build yourself a portable 5-gallon air conditioner unit. Why would we want this?
Yes, so why you would want this. Portable and personal, so in case you're outside or you're maybe occupying one room of your house that isn't getting enough air, you can, instead of just having a fan blow on you, this will make that air colder.
It also seems like it would be a neat trick to have in a power outage situation. If you had one of those portable battery units that you can plug things into, you could plug this in instead of plugging in just a fan, and you would cool more than the fan would. You would feel cooler than just a fan.
Yeah, that definitely could be an option. It'd give you some good temporary relief during a power outage.
So how does this work? This is the outcome? I guess let's look at the outcome first.
This is the final product.
It's quite fetching in our Home Depot bucket.
Painting might be a good option. You could personalize it some more. So final product is you end up putting ice in this bucket. Inside the bucket you put ice. You put the lid on top that has a hole for a fan. You place a fan face down, plug it in so it's blowing air onto the ice, and therefore ice cold air will come out of these makeshift vents here.
So even the most basic DIYer like myself could do this without too much hardship?
Yes, okay. I did it, so anyone can do it.
All right. So what do we need to do? What do we need?
Okay, so tools are a 5-gallon bucket with a lid.
Here's the lid.
Yes, here's the lid. 3 or more pieces of about 4 inches is good for PVC pipe to make these vents here. And for cutting, you will need a hole saw. So this is a hole saw bit on the drill here to cut the holes in your bucket, and then an X-Acto knife to cut the hole in the lid for the fan, and then your fan.
All right.
So we have a bucket here with some holes drilled in. You just place your pipes into them.
It is a little tricky with the drill bit. I tried it off camera, and it takes, you know, a couple tries, at least for me, to make it actually work, but you can master this. Sure.
And then you cut the hole for your fan.
We'll borrow this one so we don't have to do this.
And then put your fan on top. Oh, and your ice inside. So
what do you recommend for the ice?
Yeah, so we, instead of then having a bucket full of water at the end, we recommend filling a gallon jug, or you could even fill small bottles and fill it all up. Freeze these in the freezer. Then you can put it in, and your ice is in one contained spot for when it does melt. And you can keep some backup because you do have to change that ice out, or it's just going to be normal fan air coming out. And then we put the fan on top, and we are good to go.
So you do kind of duct tape these?
Yes.
Sort of create.
I have tape somewhere.
Right there on the paint can.
So depending on your fit, we got our pipe from the Green Project, so it's actually recycled pipe, and therefore our choice of size wasn't as great as we could. So in order to just fill the gaps here, we just tape them in.
So that way they become more airtight if at all possible.
Correct.
You know, you're trying to get the force of the fan to be blowing as much over the ice and onto you, so you don't want to have too many.
You don't want air leakage. Just like in your normal air conditioner, your house size air conditioner, you don't want any air leakage in your ducts.
So why is Global Grain teaching people how to do this? What's the benefit of this workshop?
So we are teaching people how to do this so that, one, they can stay cool, but also it helps them to see the benefits of the Energy Smart program. So Energy Smart is the City of New Orleans energy efficiency program, and they have incentives available for you to increase the efficiency of your home. So like with your large air conditioning units, they can seal the ducts for you. Energy Smart contractors come out and seal those ducts, and Energy Smart provides incentives so that it's less expensive for you.
So you can get rebates also for any improvements that you make to your house, perhaps?
Correct, yes. More information about that is available at EnergySmartNOLA.com.
Great. And Global Green is having a workshop this weekend to teach how to do this and also to learn more about Energy Smarts, which, you know, it is 900 degrees out here in summer in New Orleans, so it's always good to try to learn to lower your utility bill.
Plug these babies in.
Yeah, so let's see if this works. Well, maybe we'll use this one since this one is fully
together.
Fully together.
All right.
And we'll get your ice gallon. Is there a plug?
We can get a plug. There's a plug over there.
Oh no. Okay. Well,
We can pretend that
I know. Well, since we don't have a plug here, we're going to pretend this works, and you can learn more at Global Green USA.
Yes, or NOLAwise.org.